What's up, YouTube? So today what I'm going to do is we're going to continue on this Nopium side project. I need to order some Vera board to get the Arduino fully involved to make this work the way I want it to. But for today we're just going to put it on a momentary switch. So basically what this is going to do is we have our wiring and we're going to do a hot side switched or a power side switched. So if this is power and this is the ground coming from this side, or this is the power side and that's the ground side coming from the adapter, then we're going to do a power side switch, which means we put the switch on the power side. So ground goes to ground, and then instead of this wire just going to this wire, which would just light it up all the time, we can put this switch in here and have it switched based off of this. This is a momentary switch. So what this does is when you have it pushed in, the light turns on. When it's pushed out, light turns off. Light pushed in makes connection. Light turns out, no connection. I'm just gonna use wire nuts again because who cares? You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna take this apart again. That's why I'm using wire nuts, because I don't want to mess with butt connectors or desoldering or whatever. The kid is annoyed. He's a little annoyed right now. Yeah. Anyways, let's do that thingy.
Tall dark tree, its branches empty and ill. Her hands are tied, her hair flies free. It's a narrow path to Gallows Hill. The autumn air, the static heat, the harvest moon on the glow. The cold heart earth under her feet, the crying blood of the black crow. Cursed in this world, no right to believe. The coolness unfurls, no will to be free. Wrongly accused in a time of fear, a whimsical lust, but the devil is near.
Alright, well that's it for this one. Subscribe, comment, peace.
The loud creak of the oak boards beneath the stiff hanging rope is still. Her face shown out to the crowd as she pleads atop the band gallows hill.